Hey there guys, Chris here with Z Grills. Super thrilled to see you. And today we're going to be talking about one of the most important elements to working with your wood pellet grill, and that's the actual wood pellets. These are the fuel that make these amazing machines run. So how are wood pellets made and how do you choose? Wood pellets are made of a highly concentrated wood fiber that's dried and compressed with heat, making these an extremely energy efficient fuel source. So what are the main factors when selecting and purchasing your wood pellets? Well, the first is the type of wood, the heat output, the ash content, as well as the price, and of course the price. But the main thing that you want to look for when purchasing your wood pellets is that they're actually made of real wood and they're not mixed with cardboard or synthetics. So Z Grill wood pellets are made from 100% natural hardwood, giving your food that authentic wood-fired taste. They come with an optimal pellet structure and low moisture content, which provides for beautiful blue smoke and minimizes the cleanup with minimal ash. With your Z Grill pellets, you're gonna get amazing usage. You'll get approximately 10 to 33 hours of cook time per 20-pound bag. Now, if your grilling temperature is set on high, you'll burn about 2 pounds per hour, whereas if it's set on low, you'll burn about 0.6 pounds per hour. Keep in mind, in colder temperatures or if it's windy, that heat can escape, so that will burn more pellets as well. You may consider using a thermal blanket to keep the heat in. So in terms of flavors, you've got many choices. We'll start with our competition blend. This is the perfect blend of our maple, hickory, and cherry hardwoods, and it provides the perfect cooking experience whether you're barbecuing, smoking, grilling, or baking. Then we've got our oak pellets. These provide a smoky, smooth flavor. These will enhance beef, fish, baked goods as well. Our hickory pellets are the most popular, the most common for barbecuing. They're 100% hickory hardwood, and this complements anything that you might want to cook. Next is our apple pellets. The apple pellets provide a sweet, fruity flavor. They're the strongest of our fruit woods. These are great for grilling beef, pork, poultry, fish, wild game as well. And then finally, we've got our cherry pellets, and the cherry pellets provide a mild, sweet flavor, fruity flavor, and they'll provide a rosy tint to many lighter meats. So no matter what wood pellet flavors you choose, you can't go wrong. They each have their own uses, but at the end of the day, it's all preference. What flavor will you choose? This is Chris with Z Grills. Happy grilling.